Okay, for the app of the day, I wanted to introduce to you to Padlet. This is Padlet, and what you can do with Padlet is to give student a um, a platform where they can share what they know. Over here, for example, I'm using the KWL principle and to check the prior knowledge. You can at the this is the layout that I choose, but there's different other ones that you can choose from. You can, for me, I put the instruction in the beginning like that. The student, when they read it, they know what they're gonna be doing, and adding a subtitle or the instruction you add it in this part, and after the student come in and they click here and they put the answers. All right, that's Padlet.